Looks like he's heading towards the airport. That used to be called, can we kind of, or is the airport holding us? We need to go that way. He's gonna be, we're gonna lose it, we're gonna lose the car. All right, thank goodness. He's going this way. Behind the old broiler. Nice seats, nice chairs. Going live, we're going live. Well, I guess we are live right now. Okay, so we're following a pursuit out here, and of course right now, go wide, he's that way, he's that way, he's that way. Or is that him? Okay. Well, the reason why we're having a hard time seeing this car is because of the fact that we're by El Monte's airport, and they're not letting us get any closer, so we're kind of stuck at this spot right here until they allow us to get closer. This car clearly running from his own demons. High speeds, lots of crazy maneuvering, many close calls before we went live on Facebook, and you can see that vehicle still kind of just doing its own thing out here. We've got the locator up. I don't have to tell you, we're in El Monte. We're on Valley Boulevard right now. But what I'm trying to get across, really trying to get across, is nobody's chasing this guy. Nobody's chasing this guy. If somebody's down there saying, oh, you know, they're seeing, you know, this guy has no idea that we're here. We're up at over we're almost at 2,000 feet above the ground. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, well, there you go. That's going to bring this to an end. Doing a little bit of drifting right there. Busted his rear axle, front-wheel drive vehicle. He hit that. That's it. But where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? Well, he hit that post, basically spun that axle, broke that axle loose from the car. So he had that sidestep thing going on. He better not be carjacking a vehicle, especially because he's behind those trees right there. Keep an eye on that. There he goes. He's coming around on the front there. Thank goodness he's not going to carjack anybody. Basically going for a nice run right now. You know, the deal is, at this point, there are no law enforcement anywhere in the area. So this guy's basically just out for like a little run. Where he's going to go, how he's going to hide, well, we're going to keep an eye on it. We'll see where this little jog takes us. I mean, this guy's got a lot of energy, probably a lot of adrenaline. He's going to really need some water when this is all done. Right now, though, kind of running through traffic out here on Valley Boulevard. You know, what the original want was, I just don't know. And if that is his vehicle, well, that's all beyond, you know, he's going to lose that car. Good move there, Justin. Good move, unless he ran into that building. Nope, there he is. Came around the other side. Still out here for a little bit of a run. We should actually put the locator back up. I'm sure somebody else is probably trying to get a hold of law enforcement, keeping an eye on where this guy is going. But, you know, definitely just out for a crazy run this morning after a long pursuit. Started in the Carson-Compton area, was on a lot of freeways. And then you saw it right there on Valley Boulevard. Basically tried to get around a vehicle. That's him. There's no doubt about it. That's him. Tried to get around a car. Hit a post, a lamp post, one of those. Whoa, hello! He almost got hit by a car, and busted his rear axle. Basically twisted or busted it loose from its mounts. He was trying to drive in sideways there for a little bit. Right now, though, we're just watching this young man get a lot of exercise. Thank goodness, though, he isn't trying to involve anybody else into this chase. But man, I tell you, when you got to run, this is pretty amazing. I don't think I could have done this. I wish we could have had some kind of monitor on here so we could get an idea how far this guy has run. What he's got going on, like what he's doing there with his hand, that's all a problem. That's all a problem right there. Because if that's a weapon, this is going to be a problem. Law enforcement, they're not going to be as casual about what we're seeing. And if they confront this guy, how this is all going to end. Of course, he's going to run around another corner right there. Nope, he's out in the street. He's turning around. He's getting kind of confused. You know, if that's a gun, my advice would be basically get rid of it. Just get rid of it. This is how, you know, this is how those OISs happen. This is how suspects get shot. Always with the, you know, we're not going to see him pop out anywhere. Yeah, I know. We're moving, we're moving, we're moving, we're moving, we're moving. That pickup truck kind of stopped in an odd spot right there. Can we keep going? Keep going. Oh, I saw him. He's by the trees. I'm pretty sure he's by the trees. All right. What's going on with that truck? Push into that truck, Justin. There's a guy out of that vehicle. Okay, never mind. Yep, there he is. You found him. Woo! Justin. And of course, he's going to go back the way he came. So we're going to lose him again. It's over here. It's this one right here. It's literally right there. I haven't seen him come out. There's a white car. You probably can't see it. I'm looking out the window. Keep coming. Keep coming. I haven't seen him pop out. This is the last spot we saw him. If there's a door, okay, slow it up because we're gonna go right. We're gonna blow right by it. That's the last spot we saw him, right there, right, Justin? So he must have gone into that awning. Yeah, the pink part. Yeah, the pink part in the back there. All right, I'm gonna look out the window, and you stay on the camera. Yeah, push in on that blue awning, and we're at Clemens Street in El Monte, and we believe that he went into a restaurant. Do you think he went in there? Oh, that's him. That's him. Jeez, Justin, you should do this for a living. All right, let's see where he goes. Of course. Oh. He went out back onto the main. He was between the buildings, came back out on the main. There he is. He's still walking. I see him under the trees. I just saw him under the trees. Yeah, I think that's him. That's him. There he is again. Just going for a little walk. Hi, how you doing? I think it says Dodgers. Dodgers. Yeah. Dodgers shirt. Dodgers. Oh, we just walked by Hello Kitty. He's at the Valley Mall El Monte. Hang on, 10,800 block. Really? For what? Are you kidding me? We actually have to climb even higher. Law enforcement, they got to be there. They got to be there. He's running. They're the cops. There they are. They're coming in. They're closing in on him. Closing in on him. Jeez, that guy can run. All right. Whoop. Nope, he's going. Well, he's complying. He's complying. That brings this to an end. He's probably thank goodness he can relax a little bit. There you go. Take a load off, buddy. I guess we're on YouTube now. People are asking me about YouTube. We're on YouTube. We're on YouTube. I don't know where we are on YouTube. I got to ask for a link. YouTube? Hang on. Yeah, I'm kind of curious. He wasn't holding it like he was earlier, you know? So maybe he did drop it off somewhere. That probably would have been the smartest thing to do, especially if it was a weapon. You know, not have a gun. And of course, because we're in the we're in the stratosphere, my internet's not working. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So he wasn't heeding my advice. There's a gun down there. They found a gun. It's right by the officer's feet. Yeah, yeah. Very clever. Yeah, you are. Multifaceted and talented. So he did have a gun, and they did. He either put it down or the officers took it out of his reach. But there it is. So he does have. Yeah, that. Why would he do that? It just, it's like a lot of officers have always told me, criminals are not that smart. For the smart ones are the ones that they're worried about. Well, he didn't, thank goodness. Yeah. Jeez, where are we? I mean, I know we're in El Monte, but how high are we? This is ridiculous. Like they're that busy. Well, the sheriff's department came and claimed their suspect. Keep an eye on the gun. I'm just kind of curious what they're going to do with it. They took some pictures. They're all looking at it. They can't touch it. He just dumped it. He hit one of those lamp posts and it busted the rear axle out, so it was driving sideways. Yeah, it was. Right. Definitely shouldn't have gave it up. At least he didn't, that's the thing. He had a weapon. He didn't try to carjack anybody. That's a huge plus. That was just crazy. I don't know. I don't think our station's going to do anything with it, and I don't have enough internet to even find out if it's live anyplace else other than 12 minutes ago. Assignment desk, I think our work here is done. Put a fork in me. I am done. I think so. I'm waiting for the official go. Copy all. Great catch, by the way. Back to base. Awesome work, Justin. Awesome work. Yes. And Moy, amazing. Amazing Moy.